Hello, in this short demo I would like to present to you the VIXEE system, which is an execution environment for the virtual institutions. VIXEE allows the causal connection between the 3D virtual world, which in this demo is a Second Life, and electronic institution and family. First of all, let me apologize for the very slow frame rate, which is due to the fact that everything in this demo is running on my single computer, which in the live demo in AAMAS won't be the case. So VIXEE is a 3-layer system where each of the layers is run separately. On top we have this viewer, we have the 3D virtual world running in some client. Then we have a bottom layer, which is AAMAS system, and the middle layer is composed of our middleware. So the startup sequence for the project is first we start the connection server, which is a part of the middleware. Then we start the virtual worlds manager, which is another part of the middleware. It takes a little bit of time because everything is being constructed. We have this nice logging console, which tells us of all the messages which happen in the 3D virtual world. And here we see all the messages coming to the middleware as part of the connection server. Now, what happened here? In this, currently the virtual world is empty. So we start up the last part of the in the demo, which is actual institution. Okay. We see a bunch of messages arriving where our agents are being constructed and connected to the virtual world. So when we view the actual virtual world, we see suddenly the agents appearing in my virtual world automatically. Slowly, as we see now our auction manager has arrived, and we see that the auction room is now open. Now another thing which I will show you is the possibility of the multiverse communication, which is another cool part of our system. What that means, we have also constructed the web interface to our e-auction system, where we can log into the system. We see the list of currently online users. We see that it's basically just on software agents, and everything else is currently empty. So we try to log into our system. We see a bunch of messages coming and arriving into our middleware, and when we take a look back in our viewer, we see that the web user is arrived into our system. When we take a look in the Explorer, we suddenly see we have no messages. We are connected as a test user. We are in the initial scene, in the initial scene, and we also appear in the list of users, which is here test user and login as buyer. So we know that there is an AAMAS user connected, so we can send a message. Hello, Second Life user. And we send a message. And what happens? Second Life user gets the message. Second Life user can answer him. Hello, web user. All these messages are passed through our through electronic institution. If more virtual worlds will be connected, they would be also all the other worlds will also be notified. Okay, let's try to actually move in. Move across the institution. So let's just try enter this option info scene, we get messages that we need to log in to continue to do anything. So we send a message to the institution manager. So we tell him we want to log us in, it's our password. This is a instant message window, so nobody sees our password, and we log in as a buyer. The login process begins. Wait a little bit for the answer, and the institute manager tells us he welcomes us in our institution. Now we can finally try to move in the scene. We click on the door, click in verified for the institution, and we enter into the registration scene. Now we can take a look in a AAMAS window, and here in the list of agents, for example, this is our web user, and we see our second live AAMAS user. And if we take a look, we see that our user is in the item info scene. Moreover, we can ask item info manager info, and he tells us all about the items that have been registered for the next auction. Now we know that we are interested in this item, so we go out, click on the door opens, it closes. Once again, we can check our status. So now we see we get out of the item of the scene, and slowly process to the auction scene. Click on the door opens, and we enter the auction scene. Here we have our auction manager. Once again, we check the further institution, and we see we have entered the auction scene. Now we can start to participate in the auction, which for the demo purposes can be presented in the AAMAS conference. Due to time limitation, the auction process won't be shown. The auction is actually done through chat messages, and also through the stipulation of the avatars. Thank you for listening, and have a wonderful day.